Hey y'all, welcome to the Neighborhood News with Katie and Dana. This is our weekly show where we showcase different neighborhoods across the greater Phoenix area. Find us and previous shows on our YouTube channel. Our handle is at Team EvoAZ. I hope you enjoy the show.
Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. It's already Monday. How did the weekend go by so fast, Dana?
I have no idea. How are we already on February 6th of 2023?
Yeah, and it's Super Bowl. That's what we got coming up. Whoop, whoop. Are you going?
I am not going to the Super Bowl, but I am going to the Waste Management Phoenix Open since I live right next to it. Tickets to the Super Bowl are thousands of dollars. It's crazy. It's crazy.
So I bet you have to kind of get in on that like ahead of time, like probably.
Yeah.
I don't think you're getting any tickets this week.
You can probably get a ticket to park and, tailgate, but that's probably it. I don't know Rihanna, so sorry guys, I'm not going to Super Bowl.
Awesome. Well, welcome everybody to the Neighborhood News. We are not talking about the Super Bowl today. Well, maybe we are a little bit, but we do have a neighborhood for you. Where are we at today, reporter Dana?
We are at the Bridges at Gilbert, and this neighborhood is like perfectly situated between Power Ranch, Sawyer, and this unbelievable regional park known as Regional Park. And here are the borders. I'm going to zoom in. It's not far off the 202. I think it's like 3.5 miles, but north is Queen Creek Road. I practiced that today. To the east is Wrecker, and then Ocotillo to the south, and Higley to the west. And like I said, right across Higley Road is Gilbert Regional Park, and we are going to talk pretty detail about some of the things that are being added to this spectacular park in the neighborhood.
It's a cool place already. I mean, it's already awesome. Can't imagine what it's going to be like.
I know. It's they're adding a surf park to it. And I know, we'll talk about it. So homes for resale, there are 8, and they range in price from $549,000, and we're right up to $739,900. And this is a really awesome community. It started being built around 2013, and there's just over 1,300 single family homes, and we're going to spotlight 2 of them today. And so the first one I wanted to showcase everybody was the one that's listed for $599, and this was built in 2014. Let me get to the detail real quick for everybody. It is a 3-bed, 2.5 bath, just over 2,000 square feet. And this one here, it's been updated. It's got a very modern farmhouse style to it, which I know is all the craze. And the way they have it designed, I think is really, really great. And it's, there's plenty of space for everyone. So here's your kitchen, dining, living area. You can see
I love how open it is.
Oh gosh, I love it. I love it. And, just a great use of color in here too. So here's the front. You have paver driveway, which is great. Very low maintenance for your front yard. And let's go through this. And here is the floor plan, which I think is very functional. You have your primary, then your living, and then your 2 additional bedrooms with that Jack and Jill bath, which I think is awesome. So here's
I love a split floor plan too.
I do too. It just, if you have guests like I'm about to have for 6 days, it's nice to keep them separate.
Yeah, or kids, and your kids are kind of on the other side of the house. So, there's
for sure. It feels like they have their own space.
Right.
So granite countertops, tons of cabinets, upgraded stainless steel appliances.
Gas cooktop, which is nice. A lot of people like that.
They really do. Little accent wall there in the corner. And then your sliding door. I like how they use it. Isn't it cute?
Yeah.
It's very homey. And this is just a little area for computer work, kids to do homework. If you work from home, there's your little doggy door, the dogs can go.
Perfect. Because that's where the dog always is, like right underfoot.
I know, dogs or bunnies or whatever you have as your home pet. So here is the primary bedroom. Great size. They've added a barn door. You have a separate shower tub. And they've added that shiplap on the wall, which I think just gives it a little different, like we said, that modern country feel to it.
Oh, it's gorgeous. I love that bathroom. And I love that you chose this one to showcase, especially with the barn doors, because the small business owning mama that you chose to showcase actually custom makes those doors. So very, very fitting. You planned that, didn't you?
I kind of did today. Yes, Marci, we're going to talk all about your business, Barn of Crafts, and she truly has a barn of crafts.
Yeah, we went.
We did. I'm so excited. I'm just really, really excited to spotlight her. I messaged her today. Here's your laundry, which is a great size laundry. You have your folding table over there. You can put your racks and everything to hang. Here's one of the bedrooms, which it looks like they have it set up as office, kind of just lounge hang room, which I think is great. Double vanity. Cool. I just, me, I love a good circle mirror.
Mm-hmm.
And again, great looking down the hallway. Here is that additional half bath right off the kitchen. And then your backyard. Gorgeous. So with your pavers, your fireplace to enjoy, right now it's just so beautiful at night. Just sit outside and enjoy the evening. I don't know if the swing set conveys or not, but it is artificial turf. So again, easy, low maintenance for you. And then let's go and see this one listed at $739,900. Oops, I am so sorry, guys. Whoops, I went a little too far.
Going crazy over there.
This is on a larger lot. So this is just over 10,000 square feet for your lot size. The home itself is 3-bed, 2.5 baths, just over 2,300 square feet. And this has a gorgeous mountain view. And they have put in a ton of upgrades into the kitchen and into the outdoor space. So they've added over $90,000 to the outdoor, so the backyard.
Gorgeous.
I know. So you've got your outdoor barbecue, your sink, your beer, wine fridge in the corner over there, and your pool, which is, again, just, I like where it's placed. It's a 3-car garage with an RV gate. I love these doors. And then walking right in, very bright, very open. They've added $70,000 in upgrades to the kitchen. So
did I just see a mountain view out the back?
Yes, it's a mountain view out the back. We'll get there.
Awesome.
Oh, I know. So it's got a 3-bedroom plus a den. So again, just really great opportunity to turn it into a 4th bedroom, get a workout room if you work from home. Again, beautiful kitchen if you like to entertain or you're big into cooking. That sliding wall of glass that goes right outside. They really showcase the kitchen because they did an upgrade. So
they did a nice job. And I'm still stuck in the outdoor kitchen, to be honest with you.
Me too. I know. That's where I would be all the time.
I'm still out there. I mean, the house is great, but that outdoor kitchen, my goodness.
Yeah, this is for the entertaining lifestyle. And yes, we'll get to, this is the primary bathroom. I love that the faucet is a highlight of the home. Again, there is carpet in the bedroom. I'll just fly through these, you guys, again, but it's a really, really beautiful home. But yes, this is the highlight of the home, is the back area. So it's gorgeous. There's the mountain view just off to the left. And yeah, it's awesome.
Looks nice and big too. Perfect amount of grass so that you got, pets, kiddos, whatever. They can have their little section, but then it's not all grass. So it's not, so much maintenance, which is kind of nice.
It is nice. And here, we'll just stay stuck on this picture for a second, Katie, so you can enjoy it.
Yeah, it's awesome.
And there is so much that you have as amenities in this area. So the Homeowners Association, bridgeshoa.com, is a fantastic website for you to go to. to do all of your research. They have all the documents, the CCNRs in here. So do your research, which is wonderful. And all of your amenities are listed on here as well. And it's the bridges. There's a reason why it's called the bridges. They have all these walking trails with bridges over these ponds and streams and lakes. They have catch and release fishing in there. They have volleyball, bocce ball courts. But again, we're going to talk about across the street. But there are 18 acres of greenbelt space.
Wow.
And the elementary school is kind of the hub of the neighborhood. So I'll kind of jump around a little bit today. But the schools, Bridges Elementary, and these are A-rated schools on Great Schools, the website, you guys. So, and then Sossaman Middle School and Higley High School are your schools. The HOA is $350 on a quarterly basis.
Wow.
So bridgeshoa.com, yes. And I wanted to just kind of show, they did have a map that I downloaded, and we can share this on their HOA website with everybody. Kind of just shows you where, you know, the homes and where everything is located. So, you know, we'll share this with you, but this is the neighborhood. So it gives you a great little glimpse of what's happening and where things are. Because like I said, you know, it's a big community.
Yeah, absolutely.
And then across the street is Gilbert Regional Park.
So you have all that in the community, and now you just go across the street to Gilbert Park.
Yes. Where you have sport courts and event spaces, open areas, pickleball, play areas, and they are adding this new cactus surf park, which is slated to open April of 2024. Here's a map of the area where everything is. There's ramadas, larger ramadas. Again, this place is just go. You just need to go. That's all I can how to say. But Cactus Surf Park is what's coming. So this is going to be, the inspiration comes from the famous East Cape Baja region in Los Cabos. So they're bringing that to Gilbert, and it's a 25-acre water activity for all ages, Katie, all ages.
Awesome.
And they're going to be doing something really cool because water's a concern for us here in the Valley. So they're working on bringing in, I'll have to reread it, but you guys, they're bringing in their own water. It's really cool, the technology that they're going to be using for this to conserve water. Nice. But again, this is slated April of 2024. And I think this is just going to bring so much more people to this area because it's so unique. And I did
amazing.
I want to go. It's crazy because I read a stat that Gilbert, which, you know, I mean, how long ago did this town like start to develop? Not that long ago.
It's true.
And the town is expected to be completely built out by 2030, which is crazy.
Oh, wow.
Like, I know. That's what they're saying anyway. So, you know, we've got 7 years to see what happens, but, you know.
Not that far off. We just saw how quickly a year goes.
I know. I mean, even a month. Yeah, it goes by so fast, you guys. And for really discovering Gilbert, they have a whole website, discovergilbert.com. So you've got all your dining, shopping, entertaining, because like I was saying, you're not far from Santan, the shopping center, Santan Village. You've got the golfing that is right there at Power Ranch. So Power Ranch, if golf is your thing, golfclub.com. So check them out for tee times. Again, golf right now, you guys, you know, is huge. It's February. So again, check it out. Definitely reserve your tee time. And then Seville Golf and Country Club. This place is gorgeous. You have friends there. I have friends that live there, and this place is quite a place to go and check out. Even just to go have lunch in the restaurant that, you know, you see all these beautiful mountain views.
Yeah.
And then you guys, yes. So Katie, you mentioned our biz mom that we're going to spotlight today. So Marci Sawyer and her husband own Barn of Crafts. And Marci, just want to say thank you for all you've done for us and Team Evo and all the gifts that you've made, because not only are they absolutely beautiful, if she said, if you dream it, they can make it.
Yeah, they can. It's true. We've dreamt things. They've made them.
We have. And so Barn of Crafts is their Facebook page and also their website, barnofcrafts.com. And the barn is literally next to their home in Gilbert, and they're just really good humans. There's a really fun story about her and her husband and how they even got started with this business, which I just love seeing. And I just want to point out, one of their favorite product lines is educational toys for kids. And they're not plastic, they're wood, they last longer. Have you ordered anything like that from them, Katie?
Yes, we have ordered a ton of things from Barn of Crafts, and we have ordered some of their toys. We also and given them as gifts as well. We also have done I'm not sure if she still has it. I bet she does, but she has ceramic sculptures of different like characters. I got a Mickey Mouse and I got like a piggy bank. And it comes with a full package of paint so that it's fun. It's all the colors are picked out for you. You have enough paint to paint it. And it's just a kind of a cool little thing to do with your kid.
And I think these gifts are just so meaningful. So if you guys are looking for that really just unique, heartfelt gift, reach out to Marci at barnofcrafts.com. She will absolutely hook you up. Just let her know that you heard it here on the Neighborhood News.
You heard it here. And if you want to hear any more about any other neighborhood around town, Dana and I have been doing this for quite some time now. Hop on over to our YouTube channel. Our handle is at Team EvoAZ, and just scroll down just a bit and you will find our neighborhood news playlist. And then that way you can connect with all of the neighborhoods that we have reported on thus far. If you are more of the audio version type, maybe a run a lot, bike a lot, drive a lot, whatever the case may be, on your favorite podcast platform, just do a quick search for Arizona Real Estate Radio and you will connect with our podcast channel, which is just like a radio channel, guys. There's lots of different shows, different unique things that go through that, all pertaining to specifically to Arizona real estate. So we hope to see you there.
Thank you guys. Enjoy the week.
Bye.
Bye.